This unit is one of our power clamp, power lift, power rotation models. It's all battery hydraulic. So you see we have our clamping bands here, and you can pick up lots of different types of drums. So like these very slippy Mausers in different sizes. So it's full of water in here. So we've taken the lid off and we'll show you how we can tip it into the vessel. You lift up first to go over the drum. You can see the drum through the screen, so you can see the pads there. Just adjust the distance, so you can move it backwards and forwards just to adjust the pads. Press clamp. So as it goes around the drum, we have a clamp pressure meter here. We can see the clamp pressure, so we know we have enough to pick up the drum. Then we press lift. Wheel the unit to the drum, to the tank we're going to be tipping into. Get it quite close, you want to be quite close to it. And then here we have the rotation buttons here, so we press this, we'll rotate forwards. And again, if you want to, you can adjust the amount of throw by just bringing the unit back. And again, if you want to just bring it forward a little bit. When you start getting really steep tip angles, to release the arms, you have to press two buttons at the same time. So one here and one here. So you press both of those. And that's it. We'll get another drum now. We'll show you a different drum type tipping into the same tank. I've now clamped up this red steel open top drum, again full of water. So pick it up. Wheel to your vessel, and then we start to tip. Lift a bit. Push it forward before you do your final tip. Then return. And pull away from the vessel. As you can see here, we have a large Mauser, medium Mauser, and this fibre keg here. The unit can handle, clamp and tip all of those. So we'll just show you on this fairly small Mauser. So the clamp, the way it operates, is a constant tension system, so it's always gripping and squeezing the drum. Right, we're now looking at the rear control panel of the unit. First thing here, we have the on-off keys, so you have to switch to the on position. We have the e-stop. If we press this, we cancel all the power. To reset, pull up. The main feature of this is this key access pad. And if you look in the operating instructions, it gives you the key code, the code for this. So you basically enter the code number, and press the power key, and that powers up the unit. This one here is your battery condition meter, and you can see how high your batteries are charged. Try and keep the batteries charged up at all times. Then we have the clamp button. You press this to close the clamp. You can see when I did that this needle goes up into the green section there. And when it's in the green section, it's safe to lift the drum. We lift the drum by pressing this button here. Then when we've returned the drum to the floor, we can then have to press two buttons here to unclamp, and you'll see this needle go from the green down to the 0. It's important to make sure that the needle, when clamping the drum, is in the green. If the needle starts to fall down, actually the pressure is reducing, we need to put the drum down. So when the drum is lifted, it must be in the green. Then here we have the rotation control, so we can press forward or return.